Good evening, everyone. What's up? Just ate a satisfying meal and topped it off the meat of desserts. Mr. Hata speaking. Previously, there were a couple drink mix videos. Today's going to be another tutorial, and this is going to be another chocolate milk tutorial. This is going to be a fun version of how to make chocolate milk. But there will be a change, however, in this tutorial compared to the last one that didn't have this extra step in it. The ingredients will be, we're going to be using 2% reduced fat milk because that's all there is in a fridge. This is the Meadowbrook Pure Dairy brand. This is about a gallon, 3.78 liters. It's got 2% milk fat. It's got 37% less fat than regular milk. And it's got, the nutrition facts are at the left. Ingredients are up, ingredients at the bottom. It's got 16 cups, 240 milliliter per cup, 130 calories, 45 calories in fat per serving, 5 grams of fat, 8%, 3 grams of saturated fat, 15%, 7% cholesterol, 20 milligrams, 130 milligrams of sodium, 5%, potassium, 400 milligrams, 11%, 12 grams of carbs, 4%, 12 grams of sugar, 8 grams of protein, 10% vitamin A, vitamin C, 4%, 30% calcium, vitamin D, 25%. Ingredients are reduced fat milk, vitamin A, palmitate, and vitamin D3. Alright, enough of the milk. It's going to expire soon, even though it's off topic. Here's the Tops chocolate syrup. Tops is a grocery store in New York State. This chocolate syrup is 24 ounces, a pound 8 ounces, 680 grams. Very cool packaging. The nutrition facts at the top, ingredients at the bottom. There's 18 servings. There's 2 tablespoons, 30 grams per serving, 100 calories each. It's got 25 milligrams of sodium, 1%, 24 grams of carbs, 8%, less than a gram of fiber, 3%, 16 grams of sugar, 1 gram of protein, 4% iron. Ingredients: high fructose corn syrup, water, sugar, cocoa. Contains 2% or less of potassium sorbate or preservative, salt, mono diglycerides, adds a trivial amount of fat, polysorbate 16, emulsifier, xanthan gum, and vanilla, and artificial flavor. So yeah, here's one last look. The materials needed: 1 cup, plastic cup, glass cup, paper cup, 1 use plastic cup, whatever one wants to use. And 2 spoons, 1 small spoon and 1 big spoon for this recipe. Get a big metal spoon and a small metal spoon. One we'll see what the little spoon is supposed to do later in the recipe. But step 1 is to shake the milk for 5 seconds. That was 10 seconds. Open it up. Pour about, yeah, fine. We'll do the full blast. Yeah, fine. We'll do 16 ounces. Since it's gonna spoil soon anyway. Then chocolate syrup. Get the big spoon. Measure about 2 tablespoons, 2 to 3 tablespoons. That should be good enough. Then submerge into the, wait for the syrup to come off the spoon, and then submerge. And give it a nice mix. Mix vigorously for about 20 seconds. You know what? Actually put extra tablespoon. We'll call this 3 to 4 tablespoons. Depends on how chocolatey one wants it to be. Yeah, give this a nice stir. Vigorous stirring until it becomes a light brown color. To get the excess syrup off, get the small spoon and then scrape it off. Simply scrape off the excess syrup so it can make the beverage even more chocolatey than it was before. Couple of more mixes, and there one has it. Chocolate milk. This chocolate milk's got about 460 calories because there's 2 cups of 2% reduced fat milk and about 3 to 4 tablespoons of the chocolate syrup, probably closer to 4. It's icy cold. It came out of the fridge. Let's give it. It smells beautiful and chocolatey and sweet. Let's give this a taste. This is creamy. Makes a great dessert after a meal. This is an all-American favorite beverage. It's very easy to make. It can be made in less than a minute even. And this tutorial, though, is just a more detailed way of how to make chocolate milk in this tutorial. But let's give this another sip. It tastes a bit like chocolate ice cream, but it tastes a bit syrupy too. The chocolate syrup, to make the chocolate milk taste good, it needs a decent amount. It cannot have too little chocolate syrup. It won't taste good at all. It's got to have the right amount of chocolate syrup in it. That is one refreshing treat for the summer. Also recommended as a recovery beverage for those who run an hour a day, for those who exercise vigorously for hours a day. It's a 4-to-1 carbohydrate to protein ratio. This can be made with many other milk alternatives, including soy milk, rice milk, cashew milk, almond milk, etc. Coconut milk beverage can also be used for this. Any chocolate syrup also works, including Nesquik, Hershey's, Tops. Oh, this is Tops. Wegmans, Berry Hill, which is Aldi, Kroger, Market Pantry, which is Target, Great Value, which is Walmart, etc. It works with even works with Alaska, the organic one, and even homemade chocolate syrup would work well too. The chocolatey, creamy beverage really hits the spot. It's almost drinking a milkshake, except not as frozen as a milkshake. That's enough chit chat. With that, that's all just to say for this chocolate milk tutorial. See you on the next tutorial. Peace out. Yeah.